Students, let us take up new subtopic under international trade, that is international commercial terms, which is also known as Incoterms. Now let us see what is this Incoterms and which are the different type of international commercial terms. Actually, there are altogether 11 Incoterms. Now, international commercial terms are standard terms and it is published by the International Chamber of Commerce. International commercial terms are predefined commercial terms that are used to define the transport component and it share the cost, responsibility and risk for international commercial transactions. If one wants to import goods or export goods, one should know Incoterms. Therefore, we can say it helps to export or import goods. Incoterms specifies the responsibility of buyers and sellers to transfer the goods mentioned in the Incoterms. Like here, seller exactly comes to know the best delivery point for seller. Yes, and buyers are responsible for it. So that is the reason one should know the Incoterms in detail. So student, let us take up one by one Incoterms in detail. So I have put here first one, loco price quotation, followed by free alongside ship price quotation, free onboard price quotation, cost and freight price quotation, cost insurance and freight price quotation, Franco price quotation. Okay, so let us discuss the first one. What is this loco price quotation? Loco price quotation is also known as ex warehouse or ex factory price quotation, and it is one of the cheapest price quotation that is used in the conduct of foreign trade. Now, this price quotation includes only the cost of the product as it appears at the warehouse of the exporter, and this price quotation does not include additional expenses on like packaging, transportation, insurance, etc. of the consignment. This is clear? Now moving on to next Incoterm, that is free alongside price quotation. Let us see what is said. This price quotation not only includes the cost of the product being exported, but also includes the expenses on packaging, the consignment, as well as cost of transporting the goods from the exporter's warehouse to the shipping area. Is it clear? Now, moving on to third one, free onboard price quotation. Now, this price quotation not only includes the cost of the product being exported, okay, but also it includes the expenses on packaging as well as the cost of transporting the goods from the exporter's warehouse to the shipping area, okay, as well as cost of loading the goods into the ship. Okay, so that is something about free onboard price quotation. Moving on to next is cost and freight price quotation. Now here it says this price quotation includes not only the cost of product being exported, cost of packaging the product, cost of transporting the goods from the exporter's warehouse to the port and cost of loading the goods into the vessel, and also the cost of carrying the assignment from the exporter's country to the importer's country. That is something on cost and freight price quotation. Okay, so let us see the next one, cost, insurance and freight price quotation. Now this says the price quotation includes the cost of product being exported, cost of transporting the goods from the exporter's warehouse to the port, and cost of loading the goods, and also the cost of insuring the goods and transporting the goods from the exporter's country to the importer's country. Now in this student, insurance is also involved, so they have to insure the goods, which is included in the cost, insurance and freight price quotation. Moving on to next is Franco price quotation. Now what is this Franco price quotation? Let us see. This price quotation is the most expensive price quotation that is used in conduct of foreign trade. This price quotation not only includes the cost of product being exported, but also the cost of transporting the product from the exporter's warehouse to the port, cost of loading the goods, cost of insuring the goods, freight price, but also transporting the goods from the port in the importer's country to his warehouse. That is something about Franco price quotations. So in this class, we have dealt with the loco price quotation, free alongside price quotation, free onboard price quotation, cost and freight price quotation, cost, insurance and freight price quotation, and Franco price quotation. Those are some of the Incoterms which are also known as international commercial terms.